say they say he's weaving, right? Once they turn on the blue lights, there's 6 more cues that they look for. All right, so they've turned the blue lights on. One of them is an attempt to flee, of course. You know, well, I'm gonna outrun the law. Well, it's hard to outrun a radio, but that's one of the cues. Another one is you just ignore the blue lights. I mean, they're behind you with the wig-wags going, and I've seen some of the local sheriff's department's cars that got more blue lights than I've ever seen. I mean, in the mirrors and everywhere. I mean, just all the lights you can imagine. But if you don't respond to that, they're going to note all this down on their reports. Now, especially if you they get up behind you, turn on the blue lights, and you're just swerving all over the road, scared to death. Actually, you know, you can turn that around and say anybody would do that whenever they're driving down the road. And the blue lights all of a sudden just go to blazing behind them. They're going to be looking. They might weave, but it can be explained. But they're going to note it in their reports. Now, when you pull over and stop, it's a little different story. Now, if you just pull over and stop, come to a normal stop on the side of the road, it's really not a problem. You're really not exhibiting any cues that they're looking for. However, if you run into the ditch and you just down, you know, front of your car down in the ditch, back ends up, that could be a bad little indicator. All right, but that's what sort of the things that they're looking for after they turn on the